Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate truffles easy full guide. Start by heating cream gently and chopping chocolate finely for a smooth ganache base. Stir until glossy and fully combined, then chill until scoopable. Roll with cool hands to keep shapes neat, and finish with cocoa, chopped nuts, or melted chocolate drizzle for variety. Store in a cool place and enjoy homemade truffles that taste indulgent. Gather quality chocolate, heavy cream, unsalted butter, and any flavorings you like, such as vanilla or liqueur. Chop the chocolate into even pieces so it melts uniformly when you pour hot cream over it. Use a thermometer if you like precision, aiming for smooth, glossy ganache. Chill until firm enough to scoop, then roll quickly with slightly chilled hands to prevent melting and achieve tidy truffle spheres. Scoop chilled ganache with a small spoon or melon baller for even truffles, then roll between your palms briefly to smooth edges. For coatings, toss in cocoa, powdered sugar, chopped nuts, or dip in tempered chocolate for a glossy shell. Allow coatings to set on parchment and keep truffles in a single layer to avoid sticking. Serve at cool room temperature for the best balance of texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.